Hey, this is Vishal Sarkar and I have got a special message for you. I have a sense that you might be playing not too big in your life because you're playing in your comfort zone. Think about it, the job that you have or the career that you have right now probably has become your comfort zone. Your health probably right now has become your comfort zone. Your relationships have probably become your comfort zone. How do I know? How many people did you introduce yourself to yesterday? Right? How many new career opportunities have you thought about yesterday? How many great things have you done to improve your health and energy level and vitality just in the last 24 hours? And many people think, yeah, just last 24 hours, not much, but Vishal, I always think about it. See, that's the problem. You're thinking about your health, you're thinking about your relationship, you're thinking about your finances, you're thinking about your career is not going to change anything. You have to take action. So what I recommend is look at your life and see what are the areas where you want an improvement. If you want a better career, do things on social media, do things in your networking, do things in your internal network so that you don't have to chase for a new career, going to jobs, Naukri.com and all these places. You can have incoming demand for yourself. And once you create that incoming demand for yourself, right, it's the game changer for yourself. That's the difference between chasing and attracting, because now you're attracting great opportunities, you're attracting great people of health, you're attracting great people of relationships versus you chasing them. Instead of going here and going there to meet new friends, you're actually attracting people into your lives so that you can become the person that you always want to be, with great friends, great relationship, great health. So I encourage you to look at your life and ask yourself, how can I improve my life more? Because that's how you're going to become the attractive force versus somebody who chases for better things later on. You are in your comfort zone right now. It's time for you to become more attractive, more powerful, more confident, and really have great purpose in your life, so that you have great things. You're always uncomfortable because you're making yourself uncomfortable, and a new level is always a new level for you because you are being the confident man. That's my tip for you.